around us. Every liquid, solid, gas, and even the air we breathe is made up of atoms. But how did we figure this out? Today we're going to dive deep into the mystery of atoms.
Let's rewind way back to ancient Greece. Around 400 BC, a philosopher named Democritus had a big idea. What if everything was made of teeny tiny building blocks that couldn't be cut any smaller? He called them atomos, meaning uncuttable. More than 2,000 years later, Dalton dusted off Democritus' idea. He said, yes, matter is made of atoms, but he went even further. He said each element is made of identical atoms, and atoms combine in simple ways to make everything around us. Boom! In 1897, J.J. Thomson discovered the electron, a tiny particle with a negative charge. He thought atoms were like pudding, with electrons sprinkled in like plums. In 1913, Niels Bohr said electrons orbit the nucleus in shells, like planets around the sun. This helped explain why heated atoms glow in cool colors. Then came the quantum twist. Scientists like Einstein and Schrödinger found that electrons don't follow neat orbits. They exist in fuzzy clouds.
Today, we know atoms are made up of a nucleus with protons and neutrons, surrounded by a cloud of electrons. Quantum physics helps us predict how those atoms will behave, even if it feels a little weird. From ancient Greece to quantum physics, the story of atoms is full of mystery, imagination, and discovery. Thanks for joining me on this science adventure.